Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine.
It's grade 5?
Yes.
Good. What are you doing?
We are making the electromagnet.
This is
And,
electromagnet.
Yes.
Good.
And we are the material which we need, that is battery, a nail, and the wires. We can connect the wires with the battery, and we can hold the wire in the nail, and it can work like a magnet.
Wow, good.
See?
Well done. Good. Yes. Very good. Sorry. How are you?
Fine.
Good. What's this?
This is simple electronic current.
You made it from home?
We are class made it.
Wow, this is your class project.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Little bit introduce it.
There is a battery. When we switch this
Wire.
lead battery, this light will on, and when we off them, when we on this light.
Okay. On it. Okay, very good. Excellent.
This one here.
What is this?
A simple electric circuit.
Wow, good. Okay, on it. Little bit give presentation about it.
Yes, it is a cell, and it's a LED light, and it's a switch. When we on this, it's on, and we can make this simple electric circuit.
Are you using these type of things at home?
Yes.
Very good, mashallah.